Welcome. In this video we're looking at how to check your solution to an equation which you have solved. This relates with Unit 1 of Big Ideas Algebra 1. So we're looking here specifically at an example problem here. I've got an equation which I've solved, and I can use the calculator to check my answer. If you look at my work to the right, I've solved it out in steps, and I found that my solution I believe to be k equals 1. To check to see whether I am correct, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to my calculator, and wherever there's a k in this original equation, I'm going to put a 1. I will do this on my Calculate scratch pad. My original problem was 9 times k minus 2, so I'm going to put 1 minus 2 equals, and it was originally k plus 4, so I'm going to put 1 plus 4. So everywhere there was a k, I replaced it with a 1, which is my potential solution. Now when I hit enter, it's going to tell me true or false. If it says true, I've got the correct answer. If it says false, I've got an incorrect answer. I type it in, false, okay, I've made a mistake. Returning to my problem, can anybody identify where my mistake is? Take a moment. Perhaps you've spotted it. If not, feel free to pause the video and take a look. However, let's look at this problem together. We've got 9 times k minus 2 equals 3 times k plus 4. Hopefully you identified that in this original problem I did not distribute. I really should have 9k minus 18 on the second line and 3k plus 12. From there you could have several options, but let's suppose I subtract 3k on both sides, in which case I'd end up with 6k minus 18 equals 12. Subtracting the 3k, we're going to eliminate that 3k. And let's say then I add 18 on both sides. 12 plus 18 is 30. Divide by 6, that would tell me k is 5. So this is my next potential answer. I want to check and see if this is true. So I'm going to return to my calculator, and I'm going to type in 5 instead of the k, or in this case, in the previous one, instead of the 1. 5 minus 2 equals 3 times 5 plus 4. If it says true, I've got the right answer, and it does. So that confirms to me 5 is the correct answer to this equation. So again, use your calculator to check your solutions. It can be a really great way for you to check your answer and know for sure whether you've got it right or wrong. Go ahead now and look at some of the practice problems on the next page.